I never imagined that I will be saying this, but hello, my cuties, and welcome to my first ever YouTube vlog. So, as always, I was getting late and I ended up doing my makeup in my car. And मैं कार में makeup करने में भी इतनी expert हो चुकी हूँ that I can even apply my mascara without any errors in a moving car. So today I'm heading to DLF Mall of Noida, but honestly, if you are from Delhi, I will suggest you only select City Mall because it just got some extra spark. And here I'm using one of my most favorite lip glosses from all time. This is from Dior in the shade number 026. And in the mall, I first up straight went to Shantanu and Nikhil label because this was the only reason मैं इतनी दूर Delhi से Noida आई हूँ just to check out this collection. I have shopped from this label multiple of times and it always gives that luxury feel. And like to be honest, 2 साल पहले तक मुझे ये सारे labels and brands इतने ज़्यादा expensive लगते थे and I never dreamed of wearing them. But in today's time, where I can just pick anything without even worrying about the price tags, is the moment I feel so emotional and proud of myself that I have totally built this lifestyle for myself on my own, belonging from a middle class family. This is huge for me. Anyways, I had already decided that what I had to buy today, so I was wearing these black pants from Zara. And as I don't like them anymore, so I'm thinking to buy a black pant. And going through the collection, I just found one. So let me just try and show it to you. It fit me perfectly and the length and the waist, everything was just perfect. And because of this little side detailing, it was not also looking too basic but yet elegant. It was priced something around 14,500, but honestly it was worth every rupees because the fabric was super good and classic staple pieces like this I wear a lot, so no regrets. And I got it built immediately, and next up I was planning to go for a hair spa because Delhi में रह करके because of pollution and water बाल बहुत ही जल्दी rough and dry हो जाते हैं. Also, you might not be knowing that I belong from a very small town of Uttar Pradesh from Gorakhpur, but 2 years back I shifted here to Delhi to live all by myself. So hair spa के लिए तो I always go to Lux or Gitanjali, जहाँ पे भी कम crowd होता है, I go there. And as this is my first YouTube vlog, so let me share some more interesting things about me. So मैं स्टार्टिंग से तो गोरखपुर सिटी में नहीं रहती थी, बट आई यूज टू लिव इन कानपुर वेयर आई वॉज बॉर्न एंड बॉट अप टिल माई 12th. मैंने कानपुर सिटी में कंप्लीट करा है. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई 12th, माई पेरेंट्स डिसाइडेड दैट वी शुड शिफ्ट टू आवर होम टाउन गोरखपुर. So later on, I have been there for 1 to 2 years and then shifted to Delhi. And this what you're seeing right now is something I'm great at. Yes, I'm great at driving. Like मुझे driving का craze तो बचपन से था, but 1.5 year back when I got this car Skoda Slavia on my own when I started earning online. So then I started learning driving and I learned it very quickly. So after all this, I was so hungry, shopping and salon and everything. So I straight up went to a cafe and had grilled chicken with steamed vegetable rice. And then I straight went back home and unboxed this package. And अभी तक तो already रात हो चुकी थी. So I checked my dashboard. You know, I work online and make money on everyday basis. So today I had already made 67,000 rupees. And last 7 day and 30 day you can also see as well. And if you want my guidance on how you can start your journey and make at least 40 to 50,000 as a beginner, you can connect on my WhatsApp. The number is available in the description. Also, thank you so much for watching my first vlog and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one.